Are you going to get some tummy time? Are you going to have tummy time? What do you think? What do you think? Yeah? Is it going to be fun? You're going to get nice and strong? Yeah? And you're going to start crawling soon? No. Not for a little while, right? Do you almost have your thumb in your mouth? Do you almost have your thumb in your mouth? Hey, Charlie. Do you almost have your thumb in your mouth? Are you working on it? Are you working on it? Oh, we're working on it. We're working on it. Are you working on it? Yeah. Yeah, you working on it? You want to say hi to everybody at home? Say hi. 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 It's hard for me to get you. Okay. How about we say bye? How about we say bye? Bye.